Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry. It's a exercise 7.2. It's a question number 3 is on your screen. To conduct a sports day activity in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with the chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in the figure. Here is the figure on your screen. You can see, dear student, here we are given A point, this is B point, this C point, and this is D point. Dear student, here 1 unit as 1, 2, 3, 4, we are given the numbering. And here the flower pots has been kept along with the side by side of the road. This is the figure, and one by one the children are hoisting holding the flag in their hand. They are 2 children, they are holding the flag and they are moving on the sports track. Dear student, the name of the students we are given is here. One of them is Niharika and another is here. The name is we are given. Next is Rashmi. Now, next further what we are given in the question. Let's see. Niharika runs 1/4 the distance at AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the 2 flags, where should she post her flag? There are 3 students, dear student, actually Niharika, Preet and Rashmi. Okay, so we have to decide their position where they have posted their flag, and according to that we have to find the distance between 2 of them. So let's start the solution. So let's see the solution of the question number 3. Dear student, here we are given through the figure. What is the conclusion? Let's come to this conclusion from the given figure. From the given figure. Okay. The position of green flag. We need to mention the position of green flag. The position of green flag. According to that, if we work out, then it is posted by Niharika. We know green flag has been posted by Niharika. So I am mentioning the name of a student. Niharika is here. Okay. She is posted at a point. Suppose I am choosing that point M point. Okay. I am choosing that point M point, and how to decide it? As we know, it is 2 inch. It is clearly mentioned in the question. 2 into 1 and 1/4 of the 100. This is on the x-axis. You can see the position of her. If you see the figure, whatever we are given, then the position of Niharika we can decide as point M. That is on x-axis you will find 2 into 1, that is 2. And of course the distance we are finding for each, that is 100 divided by 4. It is clearly mentioned in the question, 1/4 of the distance AD. Dear student, here AD is total 100. So total 100 flower beds in the figure given. So total 1/4 of the 100. So simplify. If I simplify, then of course the M point, that will become 2 1s are 2 and 1/4 of 100, that will be 25. So that is 2,25. Now next we are given red flag posted by Preet. Okay, the another student name is Preet. So we need to mention here red flag posted by name of a girl or a student is Preet. That is I am considering N. Okay. That is I am considering as a n. Then how could I find n? According to the figure, if you observe, then on x-axis it is 8 into 1. Its position is here on the 8th place. And of course it is given in the question, it is 1/5 distance of AD. 1/5 of AD, it means 1/5 of 100, because AD equal to 100. Total distance where the pots are kept, that is 100 flower beds, flower pots are there. So dear student, I can say the value of n will be, the coordinates of n will be 8 1 ja 8, and fifth part of 100, that is 20. So the coordinate of n point, that will be 8 in 8 comma 20. So finally we have the point coordinates of point M and n with us. So first of all, we are going to find the distance between Niharika and Preet, that is MN. We will consider M and let's see how to find. Let's apply distance formula for that. So my dear student, let's continue the same question. As we want to find the distance between two students, Niharika and Preet, so we will apply distance formula, that Mn equal to, so it will be x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, so it is whole square. So it is under root of 8 minus 2, 6 square, that is 36. 20 minus 5, that is minus 5. Minus 5 square is 25. So dear student, if we add, then I will have here 61. So the distance between two flags, hence the distance between two flags, it will be distance between two flags. What it will be? Let's see. The distance between two flags, it will be under root of 61 meter. Got it? This will be the distance between two flags. Okay. Now, this is the half of the solution of the question we have done. Now, in the same question, they have asked, they have given the entry of one more girl, that is Rashmi. She is also the post a blue flag. She is posting the blue flag halfway between the line segment joining the two flags. Okay. So dear student, looking at the figure, given figure, I am considering let the position of the blue flag by Rashmi is P. So I am taking P point. So I am taking P point is the position, that be the position of the, that is the position of flag. What is the color of that? That is a blue flag. So blue color flag posted by, that has been posted by name Rashmi. Okay, name of a student or a girl, that is Rashmi. That is the halfway of the line segment. It is clearly given halfway. That is halfway of line segment MN. That is a halfway of line segment MN. Okay, that is distance between MN, it's on the halfway. Okay, so whatever the distance we have here under root 61, half of this is the total distance between MN, that is distance between 2 points M and N. Now, whenever the halfway, then we need to apply this formula now. Let's see the further solution. For that we need to apply this formula. Actually, P is we need to find the coordinate of P point. Okay, so we need to mention here coordinates of point P. Now how to decide? It is in the halfway. So for the halfway, dear student, please remember the formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the formula. Dear student, you know very well here we are given x1 plus x2 means 2 plus 8 divided by 2. And of course the another is 25 plus 20 divided by 2. Clear? So 2 by 10 it is 10. 10 by 2 is half, that is 5. And 45 divided by 2. That will remain as it is. 10 by 2 it means 5, round off, but 45 divided by 2 is half of 45 is 22.5. As it is the distance between 2 points, so I am taking it in a decimal form, that is valid. So finally I should say, because in the question we are asked the position of the blue flag. So we need to write here, hence the blue flag is, hence the blue flag is on the which line, because x coordinate indicate on which line. Okay, so that must lie on the fifth line. This is show the on which line, so it must lie on the fifth line. And of course the distance between those points are fifth line at a point at a distance of 22.5 meter, at a distance of 22.5 meter above it. This is the complete solution of question number 3. Clear?